karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox my Ray-Ban Carlos sunglasses. So guys, these sunglasses, they are inspired by Ray-Ban Wayfarer, okay, which was launched in 1950s. So guys, while I take them out, okay, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 40 Omani reals for it. I got it in an offer which is equivalent to 104 American dollars. So guys, these glasses, they come in typical classic leather Ray-Ban case, okay, as you can see, and you can also see the Ray-Ban branding on the front side. Okay, so now let us take it out, and guys, here they are. So guys, mine are brown in color, and you can see the shape is of this glasses is a trapezoidal shape, okay, so which can suit any face cut, and mine are brown in color with brown glasses. Okay, so guys, they are very solid built, they feel very solid, and you can see the hinges on these glasses are super smooth. So guys, these glasses, okay, they offer 100% UV protection, okay, and they are ideal companion. So if you are walking, if you are driving, or simply if you are chilling on the beach. So guys, before we end this video, I'll wear these glasses, so do let me know in the comments how they look. So guys, here are my glasses, and here I am wearing it. So guys, please let me know in the comments how they look. If they look bad, so then please do not put a bad comment, okay, just ignore it. Otherwise, do let me know your feedback. And guys, all of you, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, stay tuned.